Upon receiving the single battery system, we first take inventory of the components and materials. The first item is a fully assembled cell stack. Here is a pair of electrolyte storage tanks. Below are 6 pipes of varying lengths for connecting fittings. And here is a pair of magnetic pumps and their wiring plugs. Now, let's proceed with the assembly demonstration of the components. We can start by placing the magnetic pumps and electrolyte storage tanks in their designated positions. Connect the 2 short pipes to the bottom outlets of the storage tanks, with the white ends of the short pipes corresponding to the magnetic pumps and the red ends to the tank connection ports. Connect the 2 long pipes to the top outlets of the storage tanks. And use the remaining short pipes to connect to the magnetic pumps. Next, connect the corresponding pipes to the electrolyte inlet and outlet of the cell stack. It is important to secure and tighten the hose clamps on the pipes to prevent liquid leakage from the cell stack's liquid flanges. Finally, simply plug in the plug-in wires without welding.